Hello everyone. Lettuce is one of the easiest crop to grow in our terrace garden. Today I am going to show you how to grow lettuce from seed to harvest in 45 days. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the subscription button below. Before sowing the seed, here I have prepared my potting mixture, the combination of red soil, vermicompost and neem cake. As seeds are very small, we should not sow very deep into the soil. Once we properly sow the seeds into the soil, we should water every day till the seeds are germinated. Ideally, it will take 5 to 7 days to germinate. After 20 days of sowing, here I am transplanting my seedlings into larger container. As lettuce seeds are very delicate, we should be extra careful while replanting. Lettuce is cool seasonal crop. It can be grown either in terrace or in your balcony. It needs at least 3 to 4 hours of proper sunlight to grow. Once transplantation is done, sprinkle the water, and the plant takes at least 2 to 3 days of time to settle down into new container. After 3 days, we can observe new leaves are started growing. At this stage, we should add a handful of vermicompost to each container. From 30 days onwards, we can start cutting the leaves and use in our salads. Thank you for watching. Leave the comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.